Rachel here with WTI. If you're really hard on your phone like I am, you need an OtterBox to protect it.
This is the Symmetry series, and I have it in the color Trekking Green. I would describe it more as like a winter green. It's a really beautiful color. I have an iPhone XR and it fits perfectly in my phone. It's nice and snug, it's never loose. What I love about it is that it has two types of textures. The back and part of the sides are hard, but there's also a rubber lip, which really helps to protect the screen. I don't know how many times I've dropped this, and it has always protected my screen and phone really nicely. So the style is thin and sleek, but it's so easy to get my phone into the case because it's just one whole compartment. I really like this feature because when it's too hard to take my phone out of the case, I don't like to take it out and clean it. So I really do like that. Here you can see the beautiful color. It's like a nice matted dark green, and it does an excellent job protecting all the buttons and the speakers at the bottom. I also like the rubber on the sides because I find that it makes it easier to hold the phone.
So if you're looking for a stylish way to protect your phone, you don't want something that's too bulky, but will do an excellent job protecting it, check out the OtterBox. I think it's super, and that's my point of view.